Crypto Billionaire 69 back with another daily in-depth technical analysis video. Let's get into it on Dogelon Mars. So, let's do it. I'm gonna open up the Twitter, see what's crack-a-lacking, and check everything out. I hope you guys are having a beautiful day. Hit that subscribe button for daily analysis on Dogelon Mars. March 16th. That was yesterday. Still very active. It's very good. Nice engagement here. It would seem my wormhole manifestation. Let's go in and look at some of the comments. See how people are reacting to these low markets at this moment. I'm not much of a Twitter user. Alright. Losing money. See, this is what we want to see right here. We want to see people scared. They're scared. Okay, it's fear. Fear in the markets means it's a good buying opportunity. And I'll check the crypto fear and greed index. You haven't lost unless you sold. Investing requires patience and is a long-term goal. If you can't handle those two simple things, then investing is not for you. This is a beautiful comment right there. Because he is correct. And while you're that's the thing, like, sometimes it's hard to bear the downs in the market, right? But only those who can bear the stomach turns will be able to reap the rewards in the long term. So, let's get into the crypto fear and greed index and then some live technical analysis for you beautiful people. Woo! Crypto fear and greed index. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, where's it at? There she is. Boom! Look at this. We're in the fear territory again. Last week was extreme fear. Last month was fear. That's when we saw a little bit of a spike right around. Oh wow, Bitcoin just broke the $41,000 levels. That is very good. I remember 2 videos ago and in the Patreon I posted we need to hold Bitcoin above $40,000 in the next week. Okay, so by Friday tomorrow. By tomorrow, we want to see Bitcoin hold above these $40,000 levels, preferably by the end of the weekend. Moving into Monday, we want to see that. So, moving into Dogelon Mars, my beautiful, beautiful peoples. Up 3% on the day. I issued an alert in the Patreon to get in around those. I believe I got in around the 6.5 levels, 6.6 levels. So, if you guys decided to do so as well, not financial advice, simple opinions from a crypto billionaire, you'll be up in profits along with me. If you're interested in joining the Patreon, I actually just raised the price because I want to make it a really exclusive community. But I'll leave the link in the description if you're interested in real-time buy and sell alerts on Dogelon Mars. Let's get into the technical analysis 720s. This is, okay, it looks like we are, guys, all of you beautiful people who have been here for a minute, what's going on here? We've seen this in the past. Yes, I'm using a mouse today, so it's much more fluid and it feels amazing. We've seen this in the past, right around, where was it? I think it was on the 4-hourly charts. Right around, where was it? I'm looking for it. Hold on. Right here. This is where it was. Yep. Look at this. Beautiful. What is this? What's it called? Let me get it in the chat. If you guys have been here for a while, that's a really good pattern right there. And it's very accurate. If we see this, let me explain to you guys what's going on here. Because once you know this pattern, you'll never have... you will be able to recognize it in the future and know that it's a strong uptrend pattern, okay? Alright, let's get into it. This is called a 3... Okay, what is that? 3-bar play. Alright, 3-bar play. Remember. Alright. What's the criteria? This is the criteria, my beautiful friends. Listen up, grab the notebook, bring out the pencil and let's get into it. 3-bar play. So 50% of the candle is here, around here. Okay, so boom, it spikes. We see a nice green candle with volume overbearing all previous resistance. After volume's tapering down, exactly like what's happening now. We'll get into it later. Volume's tapering down. We see a big green candle with volume. The next candle is these sellers coming back in to try and push it lower, okay? So they push, sell, but it doesn't come down. Now, normally, you want to see it come down to this 50% level and retrace just like this. And in a doji candle, this is somewhat of a doji candle, but you want to see it end higher, okay? Higher than this 50% level. Boom. This next candle will open up. Boom. Green candle. That's a 3-bar play. So where do you want to get in on this? Okay, well, preferably, if you're on the more risky side, you'll get in as it's dropping, okay? So timing the bottom is always quite difficult because the volume is, you just never know. However, what you can do is once you see this big green candle, boom, that's when, look at this. Okay, the volume is going. So where do you want to average in? You see this confirmation candle. You want to average in as it's hitting this 50% mark. Boom, mitigate your risk, right? If it drops below 50%, it's okay, sell for a minor loss. If it does exactly what it does, and it is a 3-bar play, you want to average in 50% as it comes down to this 50%, okay? If it drops below, it's okay. Sell for a minor loss. Now, if it comes back up, boom, boom, as it breaks these previous 2 candle wicks at the top, you average your other 50% in, boom, you're at a full position size, and then you can just ride the wave, baby. Ride the wave. There you go. Now, of course, this is more of a day trade pattern. Now, it depends on the time frames you're looking at. Let's say this happens on the daily candle. That means it will happen on a longer time frame. However, this happened on the 4 hourly candles, so you want to stay in and take those profits right at the top up here. Okay, if you don't know how to take the profits right at the top, that's another topic for a different video. But there are methods that I use to where you can get out right around these 85 to 95% movements, okay? It's a beautiful, beautiful method. If you're interested in learning that right now, having all this information condensed into about an hour and a half, check out the course in the description. I'm doing a deal right now, and it ends on the 20th. The 20th, guys. That's 3 days. So, go check it out. Let's go. If you're interested, check it out if you're interested in just having all the information condensed. That's pretty much what it is. It's like, I can teach you this stuff on YouTube, but you're going to have to go scouring through hundreds of YouTube videos. Whereas the course, you can just like have it there and learn it on your own time in such a condensed form. And if you don't make your first profitable trade in 30 days, and you get your money back. Beautiful. Let's get it. So that's what we're seeing here, okay? Not on the 4 hourly candles. We are seeing some very nice accumulation here. It's actually quite scary that it's moving up like this. I don't know if I like that. Simply because we've seen this in the past. Boom, boom. And it comes down. What we want to see is more of a spike. A big green candle. Not a small accumulation. So that's what we want to see is a big green candle, because that'll indicate that it will move up. However, let's look at the daily candles. Daily candles. Look at this, okay? We are hopefully setting up for a 3-bar play. It is happening at this moment, okay? Now, we didn't come in with major volume, okay? So it's not a perfect 3-bar play starting out. However, if we do base around this 50% mark, all right, and it shows exactly like what we just went over, okay? If we see another green candle with volume as big as this one, so around this big, right? Moving higher to these 774s, that is a very bullish sign, okay? And let me explain why. It's not only a bullish sign because it's a 3-bar play. It's also a bullish sign because it's breaking out of this downward trend line that we have created within the past couple weeks. Okay, that's what we're really we really need to watch, is us breaking out of this downward trend. Okay, did we do it already? No way. If we did, then we got to watch out for a fake out. Okay, this is the downward trend line. Now you don't want to trade on these trend lines. Okay, they're just simple trend lines. You want to trade on these horizontal lines. Okay, boom. Horizontal support and resistance, that's how you make the money right there. These trend lines, these flag patterns, these head and shoulders, it all changes based on the different goddamn time frames you look at, okay? So trade off of support and resistance, and that will not fail you. That's what the algorithms trade off of. All right, speaking of, let's just clear these out. Clear them out. Boom, baby. Look at this 3-bar play right out of the... Ooh, this is looking very juicy, my friends. Very juicy. 3-bar play right out of this downward trend. And it's basing on the... What is that basing on? What is that horizontal line for? Did I just... Oh, it's a 50%. Yes. It's basing above the 50%. All right, so this is looking very nice right now. If we do see this... if we do see this... this next green candle, those of you who averaged in around this 6, where was it? It was a couple days ago. I guess it was around these 6.5s. Okay, so right around this area, right? I issued that in the Patreon. Told you guys I am averaging in at this moment. Okay, and I did. Averaged in the rest of my portfolio. No, I averaged in 50% of the rest of my portfolio that I wanted to average in. So what I want to do here is, someone's calling my name out there in the other room, but the next 50% I will average in if we break this with volume. Boom. All right. 729 levels. If we break it, I'm averaging the rest of my 50% in. I will let you guys know. But that's what we're looking for here. That's what we're looking for within the next day. Okay, we want to see that by tomorrow. Tomorrow we should be breaking through these 729 levels. Now if this ends in a green candle today, then we got to watch. It changes the whole trade. Because we want it to end in a red, and then tomorrow it'd be a really green, nice day. If it ends in a green, then I'll do another analysis and let you guys know, because that's a whole different pattern. Crypto Billionaire 69. If you stayed this long, shoot me an email. Let's keep in contact. I'd love to hop on a call and just get to know who you are, okay? I want to get to know my audience, my beautiful friends. I've talked to a couple of you guys already. You guys are really dope people. So I'd love to get to know some more of you. You can shoot me an email. I'll leave it in the description. But I'll just say it right now. mycryptomoves@gmail.com. All right, ready? I'm typing it in right here. mycryptomoves@gmail.com. Okay, shoot me an email, and I'll send you my personal number, unless you're a creep. Then I won't. But I will catch you guys in the next video. Crypto Billionaire 69 out.